Good morning to all. In the last lecture, we have studied about the introduction to computer, functioning of computer, where we read about the input, output, storage, and processing. Now we are going to further, that is features of computer. In the features of computer, we have the speed. So speed. A computer perform operation with a high speed and perform a millions of instructions per a second and carry even a complex task in the fraction of the second. Like the speed of a computer is basically measured in the nanoseconds, picoseconds, and nanoseconds means 10 raised to power 9 seconds, and picoseconds means 10 raised to power minus 12 seconds. And the speed of the computer varies from the computer to computer. In case of a supercomputer, the speed of the execution of any instruction is in computer is very fast, and in case of another with the production and the it is very fast and processing units and the other devices connected to the computer within the speed increase day by day. Okay, let us talk about the accuracy. So, what do you meant by the accurate? Means the computers are the accurate machine and can perform the large scale of the task and without the errors. But if we fed a wrong data in the computer, it returns to the same wrong information. That is GIGO, which means garbage in, garbage out. So the degree of the accuracy in a computer, it is very high, and every calculation is performed with every accuracy and the same accurate word. So the accuracy level is determined on the basis of the design of computer. The errors in the computer are due to human or inaccurate data. Okay, let us come to the further point, that is your storage capacity. Now, storage means the computer has a mass storage section where we can store the large volume of the data for the future use. Such data are easily accessible when needed. So, magnetic disks magnetic tape and optical disc, CDs are used as a mass storage devices. The storage capacity of the computer is measured in terms of kilobyte, means KB, megabyte like MB, gigabyte like GB, terabyte like TB. When we talk about all the bytes and the bits, first we have to know about the value of storage, which is 4-bit, it is equal to the 1 nibble, and 8-bit or a 2 nibble is 1 byte. When we are talking about 1 KB, that is always equal to the value of 1024 byte, and 1 megabyte means 1024 kilobyte. Next point, we have a versatility. So a computer is a versatile machine. It can do a number of jobs depending upon the computer has made by a popular machine. So a computer can be used to write a letter to a friend in a word processor and at the same time listen to the various songs through the media player. So the ability of the computer, it is not only handling the complex arithmetical operation but also performing a number of jobs simultaneously. Means computer is doing maximum of jobs and has a better technology, that is doing versatile work. Okay, next point we have is automatic. As the name suggests, we well known about the automatic, a machine which works itself without any human participation. It is said to be an automatic machine. And a computer are automatic machines. A job when started on a computer carries out till it gets finished without any human intervention. Without any human intervention, computer is doing automatically all the jobs. A set of instructions which is act as a program code given to the computer, process it, given all the instructions by the user, it is doing automatically. Okay, next point we have is a diligency. So means diligence. The capacity of a computer is performing repetitive task. Means doing again and again without getting tired is called diligence. A computer free from the tiredness, lack of concentration, fatigue, etc. Therefore, it can work for hours without creating any errors. If a million of calculation are performing in computer, so computer will perform every calculation with same accuracy. Next point we have is secrecy. So leaking of information is reduced in a computer. Like we have a login system, we have a password, and nobody is going to crack it. Next is reliability. Means computer is more reliable than a human being. How can we say a computer is more reliable than human being? So if I'm giving you one example, if we give same set of input any number of times, so we get the same results. Okay, so this is our reliability. Okay, next point we have is plug and play. So computer have the ability to automatically configure hardware as well as the software component. Means automatically it is going to configure all the hardware, all the software. Okay, next we have a terms related to the computer, that is hardware, software, that we read in the further before this lecture. Data, information, instruction and program. So let us talk about the instruction. So it is a command given to a computer in a computer language by the user. It is the instruction. And whenever we are saying that about the program, it is a set of instruction given to the computer in order to perform some task. If we are going to give any command to our computer and saying and clicking any object through the mouse, so it means that we are giving the instruction to the computer that click that certain object that I have touched or clicked. So we have completed the features of computer. If one question is raising that what is similarity between the features and the characteristics. So whenever we are anybody is asking from you the features, so or any characteristics, so the answer is always the speed, accuracy, storage capacity, versatility, automatic, diligence, secrecy, reliability, plug and play. So it's all for further. In the next lecture we will going to study the generation of the computers. Thank you. Have a nice day.